Okay, I want to go over some steps in your kitchen design after you have a flood and some of the key things to think about when you're redesigning it. Number one is, can we reuse some of the materials that weren't damaged? So as you can see behind me here, we have a countertop that went all the way up. We call it a full height splash. And so when we're thinking about the new kitchen, can we save those old tops and can we match this full height splash with the new countertop? So that's one thing to think about is, can you match the tops that you add? Are you reusing them or do you need new ones? Same goes with the cabinetry. When you're looking at the existing cabinets, are they new enough to get the same finish and door style, and will it match? Or will you need to replace all your cabinets because the cabinets were just old enough where you can't match them anymore? The third thing to think about is if your flooring is staying in place. This job, the flooring is staying in place, it's drying out nicely, so your new kitchen needs to follow the floor of where the old cabinets were. If you're pulling up your flooring, you could probably redesign your kitchen to maybe accommodate a better function. When you're doing a different design, one of the things to think about is your electrical. If you make cabinets put in a different location, if you move them around, you're gonna have to change maybe some plumbing or some electrical rough-in. For more information about kitchen design after you go through a flood, go to tampakitchenandbath.com.